Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive along US Highway 11, heading north in Union Township, Snyder County, Pennsylvania. We begin at mile 110 and we're sharing the road with US 15 as well as a detour of State Route 104. We continue with a 4-lane configuration divided by Jersey Barrier in the center. The Susquehanna River is to our immediate right, and since we're at a lower elevation now relative to the river, you might catch a glimpse of it between the trees. The detour for State Route 104 takes this exit onto State Route 35, which is the Selinsgrove exit. The highway name has changed to the Selinsgrove Bypass, part of the incomplete Central Susquehanna Valley Thruway project. We'll pass through the edge of the borough limits, but the town is to our left. A former alignment of US 11 ran through town on Market Street. Selinsgrove is the largest borough in Snyder County with a population of 5,761 as of the 2020 census. Here, the bypass comes to an abrupt end, with all traffic forced onto an exit ramp reminiscent of the Earhart Expressway in the suburbs of New Orleans. You can see an unused, overgrown loop of a cloverleaf on the left. Future plans include extending the thruway north to carry US 15 on a bypass around the upcoming communities of Hummel's Wharf and Shamokin Dam. But for now, US 11 and 15 continue on a surface street at the northern terminus of US Highway 522. This is a congested area with 3 U.S. highways being funneled down into 2 lanes through a commercial district with the Susquehanna Valley Mall on our left and a Walmart Supercenter on our right. We passed through the census-designated place of Hummel's Wharf, which had a population of 1,334 as of the 2020 census. We enter the borough of Shamokin Dam, with a population of 1,647 as of the 2020 census. The name comes from the Delaware and Algonquin words meaning place of eels. The dam was formerly on the Susquehanna River, allowing steam ferries to operate between Shamokin Dam and Sunbury on the other side of the river. The dam was destroyed by an ice flow in March of 1904. Shamokin Dam is distinct from the borough of Shamokin, which is in Northumberland County, about 15 miles to the east. Here, a trumpet interchange connects US 11 and 15 with State Routes 61 and 147, which cross the Susquehanna River to the borough of Sunbury, since ferry travel is no longer an option. Here, US 11 separates from US 15, with the former continuing to follow right along the main channel of the Susquehanna River, which turns east. US 15 continues north along the west branch of the Susquehanna, destined for the city of Williamsport. We conclude today's video at mile 120. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.